Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, I am here on my roof and it's afternoon time and you can see the weather, it's very sunny weather, but morning time it was very cold, and when that day passed, so the sun is shining brightly and it's very sunny day. It's afternoon time, 3:30 afternoon time, so I come up on my roof and I thought why not create a video on this place because I feel very happy here. So friends, let's talk about something in English. So friends, I received a message from my subscriber and the message was that, ma'am, I really want to speak in English, but I am thinking like it's very difficult language, and yes, because I am not surrounded by the English people, by the English country. I am living in a village area and there all the people speak their regional language, not native language, so it is very difficult for me to learn this language, and I think I am not learn this language. I can't learn this language. Okay, so this is the message that I have received. Now I just want to share with you some points because I totally understand with this complaint, because when I was learning this language, so initially time I was thinking like this: it's very difficult language. I can't learn this language, and I have no time for learning this language because I have a lot of time. I have a lot of work in my school, in my house, so I can't learn this language. I was thinking like this, so I totally understand with your complaint, with your excuse, not complaint, with your excuse. But I just want to tell you one thing that yes, when I was putting so much effort on complaining, I can't learn this language. Why I am not surrounded by English people? Why I am not living in an English country? These are something that I was always giving some excuse to me. At the point of time I realized that it was only a excuse. Believe me, it was only an excuse. Then I thought, okay, it's my responsibility because I have taken a resolution for learning this language, so it's my responsibility to fulfill this desire. So I started to give some effort on how to learn this language. I started to find some ways how to learn English speaking skill alone at home, because yes, I was the same like you. I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium school, and I am not surrounded in by English people, by English atmosphere. So my condition was the same just like you. What I did, I was thinking like this: okay, it's very difficult language, but at the point of time I realized that I was making so much excuse in English. I was giving so much complaint that why I'm not surrounded by English people, why I am not living in an English country, why I have not, I had not done my whole education throughout convent school. So yes, I was complaining all the thing, but at the point of time I realized that okay, it was, and it is a past. Okay, and we can't change our past. Then I realized that we can't change our past, and English learning skill, it's my choice that I had made in my mind. Okay, so why I am complaining all the time that okay, I am not surrounded by English people, I am not living in an English country, and why people not come to me that for me to practice in English. Okay, so I started to search some ways with help me to learn this language alone at home, and I started to following all the tips, tricks, methods. So this is the thing that I did, and yes, I totally understand your problem, your complaint that you are giving, like, ma'am, I am not surrounded, so that's why it is happening. Okay, I just want to tell you one thing. I was the same, just like you currently, and if I can, then why you can't? Because always giving the complaint all the time, always giving excuse all the time, it's not going to help. It's not going to solve your problem even 0.1%. Believe me. But if you are giving the same amount of effort on solving the problem, then it is going to solve your problem. Okay, so stop giving excuse, complain all the time that why it is not with me, why I am not surrounded by English people, why I am not living in an English country. Don't do that. Just think about, if you are surrounded, if you were surrounded by English people, if you were, living in a English country, so it's not need to take this resolution for learning this language. You have taken a resolution for learning this language in 2025. That means you want to learn this language. That means you are not living in a English country. That means your medium of study is not English. That means you have a lack of atmosphere in English. So that's why you have taken a resolution for learning this language. Then why are you complaining all the time? Stop stop giving complaint right now and start solving your problem, because this is the thing that is actually going to help you, that is actually going to solve your problem, believe me. Okay, so this is the thing that I did. I started solving my problem. I thought, okay, I am giving so much effort in on complaining my problem, and I started to give all the effort. I started to put all the effort on solving the problem. So that is that the thing that helped me a lot. And yes, you should follow this thing. You should start your English speaking journey by yourself. Okay, record your video, try to practice in English, take any topic, complete your some sentence in English, try to speak in English with yourself. Don't worry that you are facing that you have no one so with whom you can practice in English. Don't worry, you are your best friend. Try to use yourself very wisely. Follow mirror technique, follow shadowing technique, record your video and start learning this language, because it's your responsibility and you're totally responsible for your choice that you have made in this year, in beginning time 2025. And after 15 days you will feel like, okay, it's very difficult language. So what about before 15 days? Okay, and because you had made this resolution, so it's your choice. Try to learn this language, don't give up, because you have already started your journey. Why are you thinking about giving up? Why are you excusing all the time? Why are you complaining that, okay, this? Try to solve your problem. You are giving so much excuse, but you are not giving so much effort on learning this language. Okay, and yes, it's a big thing. English learning, it's a big thing. It's not a easy task, it's a big task, and every big thing takes time to happen. Okay, initially time, it will give you frustration, it will give you why are you learning this language, it's not going to serve you. But believe me, first you have to serve this problem, first you have to give your effort towards this problem, then it will serve you. Okay, then it will give you proud, then it will give you confidence. So yes, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. And if you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will see you in the next video. Till then, just see you around.